If you've ever watched a UGC style ad and wondered whether that presenter was even a real person, there's a good chance they weren't. Today I'm showing you talking actors, and we're going through talking actors again, one of the most used features inside archives. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn a script into a fully lip-synced AI presenter. So if you're completely new to ArcAds, it's an AI creative platform built around producing, marketing and advertising content. You've got talking actors, which we covered last time, but you've also got tools for generating videos, images, and plenty of other types of creative content. I'm working through these features one at a time so you can see exactly how they work without overcomplicating things. So today we're focusing purely on video. So from my project here, I'm going to select video. And as you can see, the setup here is actually pretty straightforward. We've got an area for our prompt, but we can also upload images, audio, and even video references for ArcAds to work with. For this beginner example, I'm going to keep things simple and start with just one image. Okay, so what we're going to do now, the first thing we need is our starting image. And I'm going to use this fairly simple image of a football fan watching a match inside a packed stadium. So what I do, I'll click this here now and it'll pop up, and I'll double click this. And there we go. There we have our image. And I've deliberately chosen something where there isn't too much happening yet. That's because I want ArcAds to introduce the action for us, so we'll have a really obvious before and after when the video is generated. Right, okay, so now comes the prompt part. Now we need to tell ArcAds what we actually want to happen. I'm going to reference the image I've just uploaded and then describe the movement and action I want the AI to introduce. And in this case, we're going for a big World Cup style moment. And the fan is going to celebrate a dramatic last minute goal. The crowd around them is going to erupt. And I'm also asking for some natural handheld camera movement. So I'll pop my prompt in. Right there, right? The last detail should hopefully make the result feel more like something somebody actually captured inside the stadium. So here's my prompt right here. One quick tip when you're writing prompts like this, don't just describe what you want the final video to look like. Describe what you actually want to move. So we've already given ArcAds the starting frame. So now I'm focusing on the action. The fan jumps up, the crowd reacts, and the camera moves. Keeping those instructions clear gives the AI a much better idea of what we're trying to create. So here we go. Here's the prompt right there. So now we've also got some additional generation settings down here. Okay, so for this first test, I'm not going to overcomplicate anything. Right? Get your image prompt right first, generate something, and then start experimenting with the more advanced options once you've understood and understand how the AI responds. Okay, so we've got all that in there, ready to go. All we need to do now is click generate. So we'll click the generate and we'll see what happens. So it gives you the generation, it's avoiding everything here, it's showing you the credits needed to do this, right? So you can show that and you don't have to show it if you want, but I prefer to show it to show you how much credits I'm going to use. I'll click generate video and there we go. Right, so that's it, really. You know, we've given ArcAds our visual starting point, described the movement we want to see, and now the AI is going to create the footage around those instructions. I'll let that process, and then we'll see what it gives us. Okay, guys, so let's just take a quick second for the sponsor of today's video called Lead Sniper. So Lead Sniper will help you convert leads into actual clients using a Google scraper, Google Map scraper, and a yellow scraper, all in one place. So if you want to turn those leads into clients, go and check out Lead Sniper. The link will be in the description below. So let's get on with today's video. As you can see, it's just generating the media right now. It's got everything broken down on what I wanted. As that's generating, we'll come back and we'll see what it's like. Okay, so here we have it, right? And wow, that is quite a transformation considering we started with one static image. We've now got movement from the fan, activity happening in the background, and that extra camera movement. It really helps bring the whole scene to life. This is also the point where I'd actually watch the generation closely rather than automatically assuming it's finished. Look at that movement and the faces in the background and any important details in your original image, and make sure everything has stayed consistent. That is pretty awesome. So with that, you can also kind of download it You can remix it, you can upscale it, extend it, resize it, much more. You can extract things, translate everything, and you can also edit it into a second. You can make a second copy, essentially. So just return to your project, and then all you'd have to do is that you'd select another prompt. You can just change the prompt slightly. So, you can make the football fan nervously watches a penalty shootout. And, I wouldn't just necessarily stop after one generation. This is where I'd start experiment. And you can keep the exact same starting image and simply change what's happening around. All this is useful because this is where I think the video feature becomes particularly useful. You don't necessarily have to generate an entire advert with one prompt. You could use archives to create short pieces, B-roll, different hooks, reactions, backgrounds, or extra footage that you can then combine with the rest of your campaign. So for marketers and creators who constantly need new variations, being able to turn one image to 7 different video ideas can save a lot of production. So then with that, now you've got that video image, and then you can also start to see how the different ARCAD features can work together. In the previous video, we created a talking
It's World Cup season,
actor.
which means late nights,
Now
controversial
we've
VAR
generated some
decisions,
completely
and millions
separate
of
video
people suddenly
footage.
becoming
Eventually,
football experts.
we could start combining
Let the tournament
things like this. An
begin.
AI presenter delivering our main message with generated footage, providing some extra visual interest. That's when ARCAD starts becoming more than just an individual AI generator and more of a complete creative toolkit. And that's the second session of Talking Actors, one of the simplest features in ARCADs, but also one of the most useful if you're producing ads regularly. Next time, we'll look at another feature inside ARCADs to help you get even more out of the platform. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to tap the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.